Shinchan's life is filled with funny and unpredictable moments. He often embraces his mother Misai by misbehaving in public or asking awkward questions. His father Hiroshi works hard but sometimes gets caught up in Shinchan pranks. His baby sister Himanwari loves shiny things and often competes with him for attention. At school, Shinchan and his friends from the Kasukab Defense Force, where they imagine themselves as superheroes saving the world. His best friend, Kazem, is smart but easily annoyed by Shinchan's silly behavior. Nance loves playing house but gets angry with when things don't go her way. Masao is sensitive and cries easily, while Busan is cute but surprisingly wise. Shinchan also has funny encounters with his neighbors, shopkeepers, and strangers. He loves action hero shows, especially action common, and often tries to imitate him despite all the trouble he causes. His innocent charm and unexpected kindness make everyone love him. Crayons Shinchan is a story but about childhood fun and laughter, showing how even the simplest moments in life can become hilarious adventures. Shinchan's world is full of vibrant characters and amusing situations. One of his favorite pastime is drawing and period pictures with his crayons, much to the embarrassment of his family. He often comes up with hilarious explanations for his action, making everyone laugh despite the show's his causes. Apart from his pranks, Shinchan has a love for food, especially chocolate, bananas, and salty ice cream. His eating habits often lead to funny situations, and he has a particular fondness for sneaking snacks from the kitchen. His relationship with his parents, Hiroshi and Mrs., is full of comedy and love. Hiroshi tries to keep Shinchan in life with his fatherly wisdom, but he often gets caught up in the shows. Miss Choi, on the other hand, has a short temper and is always trying his discipline. Shinchan, but she can't help but be touched by his innocent moments. Shinchan's adventures with his friends and family continues to bring out laughter and warmth in the most unexpected ways, reminding everyone that childhood, even with his mischievous moments, is full of joy and laughter. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.